David McKay, Pillar Hill Farm. Well, we're an hour west of Montreal and about 4 hours east of Toronto. So if you take the 401 when you get to the Quebec border, go north 5 minutes and you're going to come to our farm. The majority is corn, soybeans, winter wheat. Aside from growing crops, we try to transform a good percentage of our corn into human consumption products like flour, corn grits, and stuff like that. And the byproduct from that goes to our beef cattle to be finished. We started off with different types of vertical tillage machines, and some of them were excellent in some conditions, so-so in other conditions. And we grow roughly 4,000 acres, so we needed a tool that worked in all kinds of conditions. Heavy clay, light soil, sand, stones, we have it all. We have every type. And with this machine, we find when we set the depth with an RTS, I'm talking about, that was the first machine, that it was idiot-proof for the driver, you know. We could cover a lot of ground in a hurry. You know, we're running around 10 miles an hour, so they're covering a lot of dirt by the end of the day. We're finding with our corn planters, we have precision planting, which also shows us the delta force down pressure. And we're seeing that the less we run over these fields and more with the vertical tillage, that the less pressure is taking to get the seed in the ground. So it's been a positive influence in that respect. I don't have the numbers right on me now, but I think on my original RTS we had 24,000 acres before we changed discs, you know? So it's been very reliable. The Halo here is kind of a versatile thing where if you have weed pressure or any kind of a rut or anything like that, we can go in with this machine and level stuff up to make a nice seed bed, and probably one less pass than an RTS would need. And we also have a 5200 for fall tillage, and we enjoy that because it leaves the soil incredibly level. You know, so in the springtime, sometimes we can get through with one pass with an RTS and plant. I see guys using more horsepower to do less of a job, in my opinion, that's maybe not quite as good for the soil structure. We've got to be more aware of, you know, how soil erosion, you know, keeping stubble on the surface and trying to eliminate as much soil erosion as possible. So just being better stewards of the land, and I think these tools do help us in that respect.